What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to your iPhone or iPad. In order to make sure that you can connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to your iPhone or iPad, you want to make sure that you have a Galaxy Wearable app installed on your device. And if you don't, you can quickly download it from the App Store. Now, on iOS devices, you do not just have one Galaxy Wearable app from which you can control all of your Samsung wearable devices. Instead, there is a separate apps for your Galaxy Watch, your Samsung Galaxy Fit Gear, and for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Make sure that you download the Galaxy Buds Live app and not the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Fit app if you want to pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to your iPhone or iPad. After you have downloaded the Galaxy Buds Live wearable app, open up the app. Then it will ask you to allow Buds Live to use your Bluetooth. Click OK. After clicking OK, Galaxy Wearable app will ask you to turn on Bluetooth. After you have turned on your Bluetooth, click on Get Started and don't forget to click that like button also. Galaxy Wearable app will then present you with another pop-up message and ask you to allow your Galaxy Buds to send you notifications. Click allow and then pick your device, which in our case will be Galaxy Buds Live, and the app will take you to the next step, which is where you would select your Galaxy Buds Live to connect. But remember, if you keep your Galaxy Buds Live case closed at this stage, your iPhone or iPad won't be able to spot them. So you want to open up your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case and click on Scan for nearby devices. As you can see, once you do that, your iOS device will be able to immediately see your Galaxy Buds Live. Just like you can see that like button, which you should smash while watching this video. Then you want to click on your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and they will start to connect to your iPhone or iPad immediately. After your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are connected, the Galaxy Buds Live wearable app will take you to the next screen where it will congratulate you on your new Galaxy Buds Live. Once you hit continue, the Galaxy Wearable app will make sure that you know how to wear your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live by playing little animations. And after you click on the orange Got It button, the Galaxy Wearable app will let you know that you are all set and that you are good to go and use your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The Galaxy Wearable app is way better in my opinion than the AirPods app or settings menu, whatever you want to call that helps you control the AirPods. Just because of how much more many options it has for Galaxy Buds Live and how customizable it is. Once you connect your Galaxy Buds Live, on the top you will see a battery information for both the Galaxy Buds Live and their case. Next, you have noise cancelling option for Galaxy Buds Live, which you can turn on or off depending on your needs. Under the noise cancelling toggle, you will have an equalizer selector, which helps you customize your listening experience based on your personal preference. You have normal mode, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. Next, you have touch controls, where you are able to customize your touch controls and also block all touch gestures overall. When you click on touch controls, Galaxy Buds Live wearable app will also play little animations to make sure you know which touches do what. For example, by tapping on your Buds Live, you can play or pause music. By double tapping, you will be able to play a next track or answer and end the call when someone calls you. And by triple tapping, you will be able to play previous track. By touching and holding, you will be able to reject all the calls. In the lab section, you will be able to check out some experimental features like relieve pressure with ambient sound, and I'm assuming there will be more in the future. In the Find My Earbuds section, you will be able to find your earbuds live in case you lost them, and when you press the start button, your Buds Live will play a sound by which you can find them. But remember, if your earbuds is in the case, this function won't work, just like the like button if you won't smash it. So don't forget to smash that like button. When you have the earbuds out of the case and you press the start button, only then they will emit the sound by which you can find them. By clicking General section, you will be able to reset your Galaxy Buds Live or access the user manual. Under the General section, you will have earbuds software update. And this is obviously where you can download and install the latest software for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And of course, see the last time they have been updated. If you click on the tips and user manual section, the app will teach you how to properly wear your earbuds, practice touch controls, learn about battery indicators, how to pair your Galaxy Buds Live, and how to connect them through Bluetooth in case Galaxy Buds Live don't automatically connect to your device. In About Earbuds section, you will be able to learn everything about your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, like model number, serial number, legal information, software information, and about their battery information. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, guys, to your iOS devices such as iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. Comment down below any questions, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because it's free. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps Unbox the Box get more opportunities to get new tech so I can make helpful videos for you guys. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.